Okay, so let's go ahead and damage the AI characters. For that, if you click on this AI character, let's open this character navigator script. And as you know, this character doesn't have the take damage functions. So let's click on police officer. Let's simply copy these two functions from here and let's paste it down below. Then we will move this forward like this. Now as you can see, it matches and the code is looking fine. Now at the top, first of all, let's create a private float by the name of character health, which will be equals to 100f. Then we will create a public float by the name of present health. And now if you scroll down to the function, as you know that the animator controller doesn't have the die parameter for now, and also we didn't connected these animations, so we will do that in a minute. But let's remove the shooting range from there and that will be it. Now if we get back to the handgun script, let's create a reference to the character navigator script. Let's name this character navigator script will be equals to hit info dot transform dot get component, and we want to get the character navigator script. Now we can just copy this else if condition, paste it down below, change this from police officer to character navigator script, and right here as well character navigator script. That will be it. Now if we get back to Unity, as I told you that we didn't connect the character navigator animations, and also we don't have the variable for the animator, so that's why it shows this error. But if we focus on the second one, which is current moving speed, so if we click on character navigator, it shows that the variable name is changed, so it is actually moving speed. So we will copy that moving speed from there and paste it right here. That's it. Now let's also add the reference to the animator. So we'll say public animator. Let's name this as animator as well. Save the script, get back to Unity, and as you can see, now the error are gone. Now they all need the animator, so let's add the animator one by one. That is it. Now let's open up this first animator right here. Okay, we have already the die parameter set and also the transition. I thought we didn't set this up, but we set it up, as you can see. Let's check the second one. Okay, right here we set it up already as well. Okay, so now we don't have any issue in that. Now this animator.setBool die will work perfectly fine. Okay, if we now click on the inventory canvas right here, let's click on shotgun so that it's open this reference, and as you can see on the handgun, actually everything else is assigned, so we can now just simply play the game. Let's pick up the handgun. Now let's try to shoot any AI character, for example this one, and as you can see the character just died, and as you can see it is now removed after 4 seconds. Now let's try to shoot him as well, and that character dies as well. So now we can just shoot the AI characters inside in our environment, and in the same way you can damage or kill any other things. Just simply copy that to function which is for the damaging and type the variable names, and then from the handgun script just add a reference to that script, and then you will be able to damage that thing by the handgun for now, but we can add that to our shotgun uses and the rocket launcher as well. But for now we will test it on the handguns. So now with this done, in the next video we will work on our wanted level.